Hey guys, this is a Minecraft server tutorial. This is not a tutorial on how to make a server. That involves a lot more complicated stuff that I'm not going to get into. This is just like a troubleshooting video if your server isn't starting. So ignore this file here, but you have your server already. This is a Forge 1.12.2 server, and when you open it, you don't see anything. So that could be happening for a few reasons. I know what the reason is for me personally, but the first thing you want to do to even see what the reason is you want to make a bat file, .bat batch file. You can name it whatever you want. I named mine start server, and then in that batch file you're going to want to type in Java, and then this XMX6G, that's just how much RAM you're dedicating to the server. I'm dedicating 6 gigabytes of RAM. This jar here is just saying you want to open the jar file, and then this thing here is the jar file you want to open. So you want to make sure you get the exact name of the file right. All the numbers need to be the same, otherwise it's not going to work, and you need the .jar at the end. Okay, and then no GUI is just going to say don't pull up the GUI from opening this, because it'll open up a command prompt GUI. So we're going to leave that open for now, but if we start the server here, it's going to say a problem occurred, a bunch of stuff. Now, you could kind of read this and figure out what the problem is, but for me, most of the times my problem when running servers is when it just doesn't even start up, is that I'm not using the right version of Java. So if you're like me and you run like a lot of servers, you'll have a few versions of Java in your computer. If you want to find them, it'll be on your C drive or whatever drive you downloaded them to. Program files, and then there will be a folder named Java in it, and then in here you might not have these exact JDK folders, or you might even have JREs. I don't usually use JREs, but yeah, so these are just all the different versions of Java you have. As you can see, I have 8, 11, 16, and 17, and then I have a JRE of 8. Your computer defaults to using just whatever version of Java. I think it uses the one you installed most recently. There's a way to figure it out, but not super important, because I'm not going to change what version of Java my computer's on. I'm just going to change what version of Java this server uses. So this is a 1.12.2 server, so you need to know what version of Java that it uses. One way to do that is just type in Minecraft 1.12.2 Java version, and then it says it needs Java 8. Different versions of Minecraft will have different versions of Java that you need. That's the main reason why I have so many versions of Java installed. But now we know that we need Java 8. So we're going to edit this document again, and where we have it set to Java, we're going to want to put parentheses here, or not parentheses, oops, wrong tab. We're going to want the quotation marks, and then you need to find the path for your java.exe of Java 8. As you can see, mine is it's like this. It'll be, I think all of the exes are just in the bin folder in the JDK folder, and then you can see java.exe. So if you click up here, you can just copy the path and then put that in, and then do a /java.exe. That'll just say grab the java.exe from here to run all this on. So now if we hit start server.bat, as you can see, it says I need to agree to the EULA, because that didn't even show up originally. But if I agree to the EULA, this should now be all working, and with 6 gigabytes of RAM. Yeah, this looks good. Everything's loading up fine. As you can see, it's making the files that it needs. World mods folder, so it's making the world. So if you ever have problems starting your Minecraft servers, just try this out. If this doesn't work, there's a solution probably, but this is the main problem I run into. Bye bye.